Comparison. Squeegees are essential tools for maintaining clean and streak-free surfaces, whether it's shower doors, windows, mirrors, or even floors. Their ability to remove water and residue efficiently makes them indispensable for households and commercial spaces alike. In this comparison, I've analyzed 5 popular squeegee models. List number 1. The Highware all-purpose shower squeegee stands out with its stainless steel construction and modern design. Its 10-inch silicone blade offers streak-free cleaning for shower doors, windows, and other smooth surfaces. The lightweight handle and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver, while the included adhesive hooks enhance storage convenience. This squeegee is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a solid choice for general household cleaning. During testing, the Highware squeegee excelled in removing water and soap scum without leaving streaks. The silicone blade provided smooth, resistance-free swiping, and the ergonomic handle reduced hand fatigue during extended use. Its stainless steel construction adds durability, though its relatively small size limits its efficiency for larger surfaces. Overall, this product is ideal for users seeking a compact, stylish squeegee for everyday cleaning tasks. List number 2. The Mr. Sega multi-purpose silicone squeegee combines durability with functionality, featuring a 10-inch silicone blade and a non-slip ABS handle. Its ergonomic design ensures effortless cleaning, while the suction hook allows for convenient storage on smooth surfaces. The squeegee's white and gray color scheme brings a modern aesthetic, making it a stylish addition to your cleaning arsenal. Performance-wise, the Mr. Sega squeegee impressed with its streak-free results on shower doors, mirrors, and car windshields. The silicone blade proved flexible yet durable, handling both flat and rippled surfaces effectively. However, its lightweight design, while comfortable, may feel less robust compared to heavier models. This squeegee is best suited for users who prioritize ease of use and modern design over heavy-duty functionality. List number 3. The DocRock all-purpose shower squeegee features a rust-resistant stainless steel handle and a premium silicone blade. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, while the included adhesive hooks provide versatile storage options. With a sleek silver finish, this squeegee is designed for both functionality and aesthetics. In testing, the DocRock squeegee delivered excellent streak-free results across various surfaces, including shower glass doors and mirrors. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and its slightly heavier weight adds a sense of sturdiness. However, the blade's width is limited, which may reduce efficiency for larger cleaning tasks. This product is ideal for users seeking a durable, stylish squeegee for everyday use. List number 4. The Alpencock 4-pieces hand squeegee offers a budget-friendly solution for everyday cleaning. With a 9.5-inch silicone blade and durable plastic grip, this lightweight squeegee is easy to use and store. The random color assortment adds a fun touch, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during cleaning tasks. While testing, the Alpencock squeegee performed adequately for basic cleaning tasks, such as removing water from shower doors and tiles. However, its plastic construction feels less durable compared to higher-end models, and the blade may struggle with heavy-duty cleaning. This product is best suited for users seeking an affordable, lightweight squeegee for light-duty household cleaning. List number 5. The Clean Home Rubber Floor Squeegee is a heavy-duty cleaning tool designed for larger surfaces. With a 17-inch rubber blade and an extendable aluminum handle, this squeegee is ideal for commercial spaces and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Its foam-covered handle enhances grip and comfort during use, while the locking mechanism ensures stability. This squeegee excelled in performance during testing, effectively removing water, dirt, and debris from concrete and tile floors. Its adjustable handle allows customization for different cleaning needs, though the larger size may be cumbersome for smaller spaces. This product is best suited for users requiring a robust, versatile squeegee for heavy-duty applications.